মানসিক স্বাস্থ্য সচেতনতার উপর দুদিনব্যাপী ক্যাম্পেইনের আয়োজন উত্তরবঙ্গ বিশ্ববিদ্যালয় গণমাধ্যম বিভাগের ছাত্রছাত্রীদের। পশ্চিমবঙ্গ সরকারের স্বাস্থ্য দপ্তরের সহযোগিতায় এই ক্যাম্পের আয়োজন করা হয়। এদিন এই কর্মসূচি নিয়ে উত্তরবঙ্গ বিশ্ববিদ্যালয় গণমাধ্যম বিভাগের পক্ষ থেকে কি জানানো হয় শুনবো।
মুক্তভাবে সকলের মাঝে
extend my heartiest welcome, Doctor.
একটু calm and quiet শান্তি পায়। আমি বললাম যে আপনি কি জানেন যে স্বাস্থ্যকর্মীরা সমাধানের দিয়ে বেশি মানা হয়।
Patrick Laws to show the PPT.
Third officer of the district mental health program, which is going on in this district.
Depression, last.
I think today is our third PR campaign, and it was done by the third group of students, that's Group C, and there are 10 students from the third semester Master of Arts program, and they did this fantastic seminar on what they call Mind Matters, nurturing mental wellness together. So this was an outreach program on mental health, and they were able to bring in both the two deputy CMOH and members from the psychiatric board. So they had come and they gave us a wonderful presentation of what mental disorders, mental illness is, and that they talked about how stigma, the problem with mental disorder, mental health is not about them being treatable or not, but most importantly about the anxiety, about the stigma that is attached to it. हम लोग किसी को कुछ
So do you think one day seminar is sufficient for the students?
One day seminar is not sufficient. That's why thank you so much for bringing this question. Because that's why I approached them and I said that if we can do one-on-one session. So they agreed that we can do one-on-one session, and that will be a prolonged session where sir was also saying that he will try to bring in a psychiatrist also. So there will be a psychologist just counseling data, and then there will also be a psychiatrist. So those psychiatrist or psychologist milke, they will have a counseling session, and here with all the students and whoever wants to participate, even faculty members. So there will be another camp we are trying to do. That camp will be not just for one day but few days. And we are also trying to sustain this by, I have approached them, if we can videograph all the presentations and interaction and all, so then we can take this information to, all the people who are watching this channel. Thank you.
Sir,